Welcome to the classroom. Let's talk about the vowels. The vowels in English are very complicated, but let's start with the simple example. Do you know what the difference is between these two words? Fit, feet. The difference is in the length of the vowel. One is short, the other one is long. We say that it's not only the length, but how you pronounce it. So when you say feet, you can see my neck, how I'm saying fit and how I'm saying feet. And you can practice this in front of the mirror by placing your hand on your neck and try to say fit, feet, bit, beat. So these muscles here are activated. We tense the side of the neck to produce the long vowel. Now, let's get into the spelling rules. These spelling rules, or actually the pronunciation rules that we can draw from spelling, will help you pronounce the words correctly. They will help you read out loud easily. So, this is the silent E rule. What does this rule say? Let's take a look at these words. Bath, bathe. Bit, bite. Pet, Pete. What do they have in common? They look more or less the same, except for the ending letter, which is E, which we don't pronounce. However, there is a difference in pronunciation. We don't say bath, bath. With the E at the end, we say bathe. So you can see that the A in bathe becomes the sound of the name of this letter. B-A-T-H-E. A, bathe. P-E-T-E. Last E is silent, so how do we pronounce the first E? E. Pet, short. Pete, long. Bit, short. What's this letter? It's a letter I, and we pronounce it I if there is the silent E at the end. Bite. Let's take a look at another one. And this one is a little bit sneaky. Belief, believe. Now, does that sound familiar? There they are. The F changes into V. So the consonant, the voiceless F, becomes the voiced V. It's not just the length of the vowel that changes. Belief? Sounds a little bit like believe. Here, it's a little bit longer. E. This one is curious. Spit, Spit and spite. Now you understand the rule, don't you? Okay, let's see now. There is something tricky about this long E. You saw this, that we have actually spelt this long E in at least 3 different ways. I'm sure you will find some more in the words that you search. So it can be double E, it can be EA, it can be even IE. In the next lesson, we will cover more of the long sounds in English. And in the last lesson, we will talk more about the diphthongs, which is A. But A is the first letter of the alphabet. So that's why I thought I would just mention it here. And of course, because of the silent E pronunciation rule. I hope some things are much clearer now, and I hope you will be able to do your task better. Enjoy your learning journey.